everyone, I welcome you all to my mom's channel Talk to Share. Today I'm going to share my recipe, my easy microwave recipe which you could make for your loved ones. Either your kids could prepare for you or you could prepare for your parents. It's called Paneer Garlic recipe, prepared for myself. Let's see how I made it. So let's see the ingredients for quick garlic paneer. 1 capsicum, a packet of paneer, 2 cups of tomato puree, 1 cup of milk, kasturi methi, few cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons fresh cream, 2 tablespoons oil, pinch of sugar and salt according to taste. So let's see the procedure. First pour the oil in the bowl. So we'll place it in the microwave for heating for 1 minute. Meanwhile, we'll crush the garlic. So garlic is crushed. Let's go get the oil. So in the hot oil, we'll place the crushed garlic and again put it in the microwave. So after 1 minute, you can add a little chili. This is optional. I like it spicy, so I'm adding it. So mix the oil, garlic and chili. Now add the capsicum. Add the tomato puree and mix it again. Now microwave it for 3 minutes. Add paneer. And then mix it. Keep it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now add the milk required for the desired consistency. Now mix it well. And then again keep it for 2 minutes in the microwave. Now add kasturi methi. Mix it well. Add half bowl of fresh cream before serving. And then mix it well. Now quick garlic paneer is ready to be served. Now add the fresh cream from top. Now quick paneer garlic dish is ready to be served. Serve it hot. Enjoy with your friends and family. Thank you.